In this video, we are going to see how to take a snapshot of a virtual machine running in VirtualBox. So here we have these three lines. We have to click on this. Here we get an option named as snapshot. When we click on it, we will be getting the first name as take snapshot. And we have to give the name of snapshot. I will give it name as Ubuntu snapshot. Then we can add some description. Let's take this. Okay. Once we click on it, the snapshot will be initiated, will be taken. So what we can do is we can the usage of this snapshot is if the Ubuntu file gets corrupted, we can restore it to this previous snapshot. So this is very helpful in the case for recovery and backup purpose. Suppose the virtual machine gets corrupted in the future while performing some task, so we can revert back to this checkpoint or this snapshot. So this is the main usage of snapshot. One more important thing is we have to tell, like if the virtual machine is in running state, we are unable to take the snapshot. So to take a snapshot, the virtual machine should be in stop state only. Thank you.